Hold on to your hats, folks. What I'm about to drop on you today, it's gonna flip your YouTube game upside down. In just 1 year, a handful of faceless AI channels have absolutely crushed the AI niche. We're talking millions of views, thousands of subscribers, the kind of success that makes other creators green with envy. And listen up, this ain't your average fluff. This is hardcore, actionable info straight from the trenches of the top AI channels. We're talking AI Guy, Digital Income Project, and Isaac. They've exploded while staying totally incognito. AI's their secret weapon, creating content that hooks viewers and keeps them glued to the screen. This is about building a freaking machine, a system that runs 24/7, pumping out views, subs, and cash on autopilot. Let's give a shout out to the insane results. Isaac snagged over 148,000 subscribers with just 5 videos. That's just the tip of the iceberg. These pioneers aren't just riding the AI wave, they're making it. They've cracked the code to viral talking avatars that engage like never before. And guess what? Today, I'm pulling back the curtain and showing you exactly how they do it. So, what's the plan of attack? We're diving deep into AI-generated talking avatars. I'm gonna walk you through 3 killer methods used by the AI titans. First, AI Guy's jaw-dropping photorealistic style, then Digital Income Project's electric neon avatars, and finally, Isaac's mind-blowing blend of AI and human images. These avatars, they're designed to grab attention and keep your audience obsessed. Master these techniques and you'll dominate the competition. Ready to unleash your AI power? Let's get started. First up, let's recreate the AI Guy style, known for its photorealistic avatars. Start by heading over to AI Guy's YouTube page and find the video featuring the avatar you want to work with. We're going to download the thumbnail from this video. Once you've got the video, head to YouTubeThumbnailDownloader.com. The link is in the description below. Paste the video URL, click download, and you've got the thumbnail. Next, let's open Canva, an awesome online design tool. Head to canva.com and log in or create an account if you don't have one. Now, search for YouTube thumbnail and select the blank template that appears. Once it's open, upload the thumbnail you downloaded earlier. Just drag and drop it into your design. Here comes the fun part. We'll use Canva's magic grab feature. Click the image, then hit edit. In the edit menu, choose magic grab and remove the background around the avatar. Make sure to isolate just the avatar. Once you're happy with the result, resize and adjust the avatar however you like. Play with the size and position to fit your thumbnail. When everything looks perfect, click download at the top right, choose your preferred format, and save it to your device. Now, let's head over to Leonardo AI. If you don't have an account yet, create one and log in. Once you're in, click the image creation button to start transforming your avatar. Select Phoenix 1.0 as your preset. This works wonders for avatar transformations. Click Image Guidance and choose the Image to Image option. Upload the image you just edited in Canva and Leonardo AI will work its magic. In the prompt box, type Recreate to instruct Leonardo AI to generate a new version of the avatar you uploaded. Then, switch the preset to Leonardo Kino XL, which delivers stunning high-quality avatars. Once everything's set, click Generate and watch as Leonardo AI creates several versions of your avatar. Pick your favorite and you're done. If you want even more options, just click Generate again for more variations. Next, let's bring it to life with a voice. Head to 11 Labs, create an account, and select a voice that fits your avatar. Input your script, adjust the settings, and download the audio file. Remember, for monetization, you'll need a paid plan with a commercial license. Now, go to Hagen to sync the voice with the avatar. Upload your avatar and voiceover, and Hagen will sync the lip movements automatically. Once that's done, export the video and open it in CapCut. Use the mask tool to refine the background and add animations or effects to enhance the video. Refine the video with color grading, background effects, and smooth transitions in CapCut. Review everything, and once you're happy, export in the highest resolution. You now have a talking, animated avatar ready to go viral.
Hi, this is the AI Guy sample avatar. Hope you like it. Please feel free to play around in 11 Labs to find the voice you prefer. The link is in the description. Try it out for free. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Next, let's create a neon-themed avatar with dynamic animated backgrounds, just like Digital Income Project. Head back to Leonardo AI and click Image Creation. In the upper left corner, change the preset to Cinematic Kino. This preset works great for creating detailed avatars. Now, under Image Dimensions, select the 16:9 aspect ratio and set the dimensions to 1280 by 720. This will give us a nice medium-sized image. Here's where the fun starts, writing the prompt. I've included an example prompt in the description below that you can copy and paste. It tells Leonardo exactly how we want the avatar to look, from the outfit to the background. Once you've got your settings and prompt ready, click Generate, and Leonardo AI will create 4 different images for you. If you want more options, simply click Regenerate for another batch of 4 images. If you feel something is missing, edit the prompt and try again. Now, bring the avatar to life with the same voiceover steps we used earlier. Head to 11 Labs for the voice, Hagen for syncing, and CapCut for animating and refining the video. And here is the results.
Hi, this is the Digital Income Project sample avatar. Hope you like it. Please feel free to play around in 11 Labs to find the voice you prefer. The link is in the description. Try it out for free. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Finally, let's take a look at Isaac's unique blend of AI-generated portraits and real human images. Start by heading to the YouTube page of Isaac and find the video with the avatar you like. Download the thumbnail using YouTube thumbnaildownloader.com, just like we did in the previous methods. Then open Canva, create a blank YouTube thumbnail, and upload the thumbnail you downloaded. Now, let's use Canva's magic grab again. Click on the avatar, remove the background, and isolate it from the rest of the image. Here's the twist. Delete the body of the avatar by using Canva's remove background feature. Resize and reposition the avatar to fit your thumbnail perfectly. Once you're happy with it, download the image and move to Leonardo AI. Use the same steps as before. Select Phoenix 1.0, upload your image, and generate a new version with Cinematic Kino. Now, blend your AI avatar with a real human image in Canva. Upload your AI avatar, select a realistic human background, and adjust the avatar's position for seamless integration. Play around with lighting, opacity, and filters to make everything look natural. Finally, bring your creation to life. Use CapCut for animation and 11 Labs for the voiceover. Enhance the video with effects in CapCut and export it in the highest quality. And here is the results.
Hi, this is the Isaac sample avatar voice. Hope you like it. Please feel free to play around in 11 Labs to find the voice you prefer. The link is in the description. Try it out for free. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And just like that, you now have 3 viral-ready talking avatars, each with its own unique style. These techniques will help you stand out and build a truly engaging AI-powered channel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more tips. Got questions or want to share your creations? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want to learn how to create engaging video ideas, titles, scripts, and descriptions that get noticed on YouTube, be sure to check out my other video here.